Hannah wore her green dress. Her brown hair was tied up high. She sat with her mother on a park bench. A sudden wind blew strong. The yellow umbrella slipped from Hannah's hands. It floated up into the rainy sky. The umbrella drifted over cars. It sailed above shiny, wet streets. The rain sparkled on the roofs below. It passed over houses and shops. The umbrella looked bright against the gray clouds. Children pointed at it with wonder. The umbrella landed near a bird's nest. The bird tucked under it, safe and dry. The umbrella became a tiny shelter. The wind blew again. The umbrella lifted high once more. It floated away from the nest. Down it came to the street. A little dog was wet and shivering. The umbrella covered him kindly. The dog wagged his tail. He felt warm under the umbrella. The rain didn't bother him anymore. The wind shook the umbrella again. It floated toward two boys. They were walking home from school. One boy shouted, "That's Hannah's umbrella." He knew her from the park. They ran to catch it. The boys held the umbrella tight. They smiled with excitement. It was time to return it. They found Hannah on the bench. She was waiting with her mother. Her eyes lit up with joy. Hannah hugged her umbrella. She felt happy and safe again. The rain seemed softer now. The children named it the Kind Umbrella. It had sheltered birds, dogs, and friends. Hannah whispered, "Thank you, umbrella."
Shh. Has our sweet little one fallen asleep? Sweet dreams, darling. But if those pretty eyes are still open, let's dive into the next story. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be waiting for you again tomorrow night.